Hello and welcome to Easter weekend 2020 in Myrtle Beach. Before I show you the ghost town that is the Boulevard, here's a little quick look at the Breakers Resort demolition. That tower that they've been picking away at is gone. As you can see, nothing but rubble left. Big old empty space for a new tower to be built. And also, before we hit the Boulevard and show you the ghost town, check this out. That is a beach access right there, public beach access along the Boulevard. This is on the north side, just north of the commercial district. They are barricaded off. You cannot park here, you cannot access the beach. As of Easter weekend, it is against the law to be congregating on the beach. So all these beach accesses are shut down and barricaded off. There you go, there's another one. These beach accesses I'm showing you, by the way, are excellent choices in the summertime because they're surrounded by residential neighborhoods, so not a lot of people know that these are over here. Alright, now let's take a drive northbound up the Boulevard and see how much of a ghost town Myrtle Beach has truly become. This is a holiday weekend, and this is what the streets of Ocean Boulevard look like. Now, during this POV video, you will see 2 or 3 joggers jogging down the street. So it is not completely void of life, but if you visited during spring break or Easter weekends in the past, you know that this is not what it typically looks like. This is when tourist season really starts to kick into gear, and these roads are packed. But because of what is going on, they are empty. So let's drive northbound up the Boulevard, and you'll see for yourself how empty the city has become. A little bit of extra content here. 46th Avenue North, where the blue-green preview center is. Do you remember, anybody out there, remember what used to be located here, 46th Avenue North, at the now blue-green center? This was a movie theater, and it was a dollar theater as well before its final demolition. So comment down below if you remember that, because that was a good while ago they tore that down and built this blue-green timeshare preview center. Okay, everybody. Until next time, take it easy, be safe. See you in the next video.